Wow, this is a rare sight. A close-up encounter with a square-tailed kite. Even though widespread throughout Australia, it is an uncommon bird, and it usually spends its time soaring high up in the air or skimming the canopy of the trees in search of prey. But this one decided to have a little rest on a lower branch. We can hear the other birds, such as noisy Friarbirds, are not impressed with this intruder in their territory. Up there you can see a noisy Friarbird. What an incredible experience! Visit my blog this week to learn more about the square-tailed kite. You can find a link in the description. I wonder what else we will see today. There's a grey Shrike-Thrush, and high up there a rainbow Lorikeet. Can you hear the laughing Kookaburras call? One of my favorite sounds of the bush. Have a listen at their orchestra. Wasn't that amazing? What a contrast with this peaceful view over the lake. There are some waterbirds out and about here. This is an Australasian Grebe. It's in its non-breeding plumage. That one is a Hardhead. Notice also the beautiful ripples these birds create on the surface of the water. A little pied Cormorant is shaking off the water of its feathers after a dive. Let's walk on a bit further. Around the next bend, we will get another view on the water. Here's a group of Pacific black ducks. And here, a large group of Australasian Grebes. What a beautiful sight! We finish our walk today by looking up into the tops of these beautiful gum trees. If you enjoyed this walk, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most today. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.